हेलो एवरीवन, आपका मेरे चैनल पे स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं बुक, वही पढ़ते हैं जो स्ट्रेट थिंकिंग। विद अ सेकंड प्रो। यप, पता नहीं कौन से पेज पे। हाँ, 57। अनकन्वेंशनल आई हैव grown to hate conventional thinking. Wait a second, first we address what is the conventional thinking. Whoa. Conventional thinking. हम्म वेट अ सेकंड, आई रीड बुक व्हेन आई गिव यू
मेरा फोन मेरा अपना
मैं ही तो यूज कर रहा हूँ। 1 मिनट दो, मेरे को वीडियो बना दो फिर ले लेना।
मैं क्या फिर मैं रोटी फोन जाऊंगी।
ऑलवेज बिहेविंग इन अ ट्रेडिशन आर नॉर्मल वे। अच्छा,
पानी सूख देगा देखो सब।
I have grown to hate
पानी खाने को
conventional thinking, not because I want to be different, but because unconventional thinking give you conventional result. I do not like that, and if you liked conventional results, you would not be read this book. Let's example decision making for a second. The most conventional method for a decision making is to clear a pros and cons list. Belgium Benjamin Franklin is the first who documented this method. He wrote about it to his friend Josh Priestley in a letter to him in 1772. And today we create these lists all the time. We are pros and cons of quitting my job, breaking up with my boyfriend, taking this job offer, buying a new car, starting a business, and then we take a sheet of paper, draw a line in the middle of it, and start listing the pros on the left and the con on the right, or vice versa. एक तो मुझे कॉन और प्रोस का मतलब नहीं पता, देखना पड़ेगा कहना क्या चाहते हैं। The pros and con meaning the advantage and disadvantage of something. इसे pronounce कैसे करेंगे, बस सुन लेते हैं।
Pros and cons means the advantages.
Pros and cons, ठीक है। pros and cons मतलब advantage and disadvantage. Conventional, ठीक है। pros and cons of, what are the pros and cons तो ये हो गया। and then यहाँ थे list the pros on the left side and cons on the right side, or vice and versa. Even though I like the simplicity of this method, I stopped using it after one of my friends recommended me to create one of these lists when my first relationship hit a rough patch. I actually made a pros and cons list for a breaking up with my then girlfriend. When I thinking about it now, I am ashamed, and it did not even make any sense because there are always factors that by themselves outweigh all of the other factor. Nearly or nearly all pros and cons list for relationship are the same. Pros of staying in a relationship: having someone to share everything with. You have go on a holiday. You have go on a holiday, etc. Con of staying in a relationship: less free time for myself. Less con of the saying staying in a relationship: less free time for myself, getting in fight fights, going to in-laws, etc. It's always the same and it's not useful. The same is truth for quitting a job you hate. The pros is that you are free from a bad job. The con is that there are lot of uncertainty पता क्या अनसर्टन ही पढ़ लो, मतलब सेम ही होता है अनसर्टेंटली कर देते uncertainty. It's time to break free from this conventional thinking. Instead of binary thinking, start thinking more abundantly. It's not this or that in is it's not this or that in life. You can have this and that. I always thought I had to either quit my job or take a job. Also, many of my friends thinking you should quit your job to start a business. Whoever said these things? When my business was not growing a few year ago, I just took a job at a large IT research firm. I did both thinking things. Business in I run my business in evening and weekend, and sometimes during the day, and the rest of my time I did my work from the farm. Also, you can start a business. Will you still have a job? That's what I mean when I talk about thinking outside of a box. We always limited ourselves by narrow and conventional thinking. We always want to stay with a box. That because we never take a step back to look at the large picture. Take a look at the drawing below. Thinking outside the box. ये बॉक्स है, ये साइड में बॉक्स है, ये आउटसाइड द बॉक्स की थिंकिंग है. टिक का निशान बनाया अगर किसी को नहीं दिख रहा तो. If you are standing inside the maze, you will probably start walking toward the middle, right? That's what you say do when you are in a maze. However, this maze is different. The pizza is not in the middle. Outside it's outside the maze, but you can only see the goal if you take a helicopter view. It's impossible to see the goal from within the maze, and yet that's how most of us lives. We do think conventionally because that's how it done. When you stop doing things the way they are doing done, you will start doing things how you get it done. थैंक यू. कल पढ़ते हैं.